Good morning, everybody. We're out here at just a random rest area in Nebraska. I think we're past Sidney, or no, take that back. We're almost to Sidney, Nebraska. So that's where we stopped last night. I was pretty tired, so figured I'd just stop. No reason to keep pushing. It was like a 20-hour day. It was like a 20-hour day yesterday, so no need to continue to do any more than that, even though it would have been nice. But anywho, just out here doing a little look-see, and then we can start our day. I think we got at least 10 hours, so we got quite a bit of trucking to do today. Anywho, we'll get to it. Here we are at the old Sapp Brothers in Cheyenne. Get some drink for the old girl. Oh my gosh, so many questions. Yes. No. Let me check. No. No. All right, now we can fuel. Done. I'm working on it. Already got that side done, so. Alrighty, I'm gonna get back on the road. Alrighty, we got all fueled up. We reset the old tripometer. I don't buy too much knick-knack stuff, but dang, that thing's sweet. And yes, it's for me. Just kidding. It's queen size. I'm king size, so obviously it's for my queen. Alright. Enough dicking around. We got shit to do today. Let's go. at the TA and Fort Bridger. That way I can get these windows scrubbed up a little bit and grab some lunch, do my half-hour break. So here's something you usually see here at the TA is a state trooper. There's always cops over here doing shit. I know there's quite a few people that have been hit. Just parked in this parking lot and get smacked. Checked in. We're going to go unload. She's going to go make our scale ticket. Apparently they have an issue with their scale here, so we'll go do that while she does that, and then we'll get out of here and drive 2.5 hours home, and then call it a weekend. Then be right back at it Monday morning. Alrighty. That tarp opened up. I'll try to get out of here before it rains anymore. That unloaded all right. Nice and easy. blow all the crap out of my Crocs. All right, let's get out of here. Still got a 2.5 hour drive home. Just had to show you guys that sky. Man. Gorgeous. Beautiful Saturday evening down here. Now that that rain is gone, for the most part anyways, looks like there still might be some, but man, what a blessing to be able to just be out here making a living, providing for my family, and getting to stare at all this beauty all year round. Till winter time, and then it's miserable. Anywho, let's get back on the highway. Alrighty, so we made it here to Mountain Home, and appreciate everybody riding along with me today. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing and doing all those things, but I'm gonna go enjoy my one day off. So anyways, we'll see you on Monday. Bye.